Deadly Tarantula Girl coming to you from my private serpentarium. Tonight bringing you an unboxing video from Mr. Jacob Guerrero. I was super excited because Jacob sent me a mature female rose hair tarantula. She is here and I'm super excited to get this box opened and see how she's doing. Let's get to it. Let's get this bad boy open. Okay, nice packaging. And here's the container. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it set up. Here's that handsome girl. And you can see I used a combination of vermiculite and cocoa bedding, as I've been doing recently. I gave her a nice deep substrate since this will be a breeding chamber. And she looks to be in really great shape. She's pretty calm. And so that's a good sign that the shipping process was not traumatic. She's got some nice size on her, if I didn't mention that yet. And I'm very excited about getting this lady paired up. Yes, I'm competing with one of my very agitated rattlesnakes because we've got lights and tripods and cameras everywhere. Sorry about that, fella. I am so delighted to have received this girl in such great condition. Wonderful packing job, Jacob. She is an absolute beauty. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I was so relieved to see that she is alive and well. Great packing, Jacob. I am very excited to pair up these animals. Comment below how many spiderlings you think will reproduce. Let me know what species was your favorite that I've reproduced so far, and I'll see you guys next time.